fraction is a part. A part of a what? Trying to think. Yes, Barnes. A part of a whole. God created a world that was full. In the beginning, there was heaven and earth. And so the whole was divided. So the world was divided. We had heaven and earth. There was something that was created on that day. What is that? Light
and darkness.
Darkness. That everything was divided into their kingdoms. Which kingdoms are these? Korea.
The
Animal kingdom. Austin. Plant kingdom. Mineral kingdom. And finally all of us?
human kingdom.
So we are still part of the fraction. Okay. Then we say now the most beautiful of the fractions was the what? The fifth. The fifth, because we are one of the unique creations of God. Why?
We can stand upright.
We can stand upright. If we have 1, which fraction is that? Which fraction is that? Yes, Angawa? A third. A third. It means what? It is 1 part of the whole. And the whole we have divided into? The whole has been divided into?
3.
So now we come and say 3 becomes who? Who was on the lower bed?
Teacher.
Talia?
Denominator.
Yes?
Denominator.
D. A very long one for a very short person, isn't it?
Yes.
So is who? D? Denominator. And what comes on the top is numerator. Still a long one for a tall person. And who is in between them? The letter. What was in the letter? How many halves make a whole? How many thirds make a whole? This is the whole. We now divide it into 2. So how many halves do we have? How many halves? 1, 2. How many thirds?
1, 2, 3.
So 3 thirds make
1 whole.
we're going to do our practical with our chapatis. You have enjoyed making them?
Yes.
So now we want to see, to bring out this whole from the fractions to bring us that whole. And because the chapatis are there, I see somebody with an appetite.
My father's in the black, flashing with silver, follow the one who's right, dig deep and swing, Mama, flashing with silver, to clouds the one who's right, dig deep and swing.
Linda jakata nani kwa nani muende sasa kuna muende kanikatia hivi muende nataka nikatia hapo. Now there is something under. So make sure it is precise. Because you are going to place it on something. See what will come out of it. So, tengenezanga ya half ilikuwa rahisi kufanya nini? Also have my half, I've not waited for the knife. Now, for those ones who have done the half, have you done the half?
Yes.
Now, this is what I want you to do. Okay, Kate now give a quarter. How does she do? How will she do it? Guide her. What do you do? The meat. How will she find the meat? Very good. Try to fold fast. Even without the knife first. Fold. Fold. Zitoshane. Zimetoshana? Now you can cut. Ama tu akunje, wacha akunje. So, how many halves are these? 2 halves. Ndio maana jana tulikuwa tunasema 2 in the numerator by 2 of the halves. 2 halves make 2 halves. 2 halves are made. Tunakuja hapa. Kwa hii. Nasema nini? Kwa hii. Mara ya kwanza imekuwa nini ikiwa peke yake? Sio? Tumeamua tukakate mara ngapi? 4 equal. The one should be equal. Kama kuna yenye kubwa hapo kile nyingine, hapana, hebu tuprove. Tunaona? So they are equal. Sawa? So from this equal 4 equal parts. Chakula yetu ilikuwa mzima hivi, sio? Imekiwa full. Sasa tumegawanyisha mara 4. Hii tutaita nini? Quarter. Hivi kuna quarter ngapi? Hesabu zote tuone. Hesabu zote.